What's going on, guys? Phil here with Custom Offsets with an update for you on the giveaway. So if you don't already know or you haven't seen this hoodie, when you grab this hoodie, it gets you automatically entered to win TIS wheels and Atturo tires. It's any size, any finish, whatever tires you want, we'll mount them on there and we'll send them to you if you are the grand prize winner. So this is the hoodie. Like I said, obviously it's October, so we want to bring some awareness to breast cancer research, all that stuff. So you'll see on the front of here, we got the breast cancer ribbon. We worked some pink into the Custom Offsets logo and TIS logo on the front. When I spin it around, you'll see that we got TIS and Atturo on there with the flag with the pink stripe. So at the end of this contest, we're actually making a contribution to the Susan G. Komen Foundation, and that's where all the money that goes that you guys help us raise, that's where it's going. This contest ends November 11th, so we are running quite short on time. I know we've got SEMA coming up for us, and then it's gonna be go time. The next week is gonna be the giveaway live drawing. So November 11th, 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, that's when we're going live. Earlier that morning at 11 a.m., that's when the whole thing ends. So if you want to get entered to win, you got to do so right now. We only ordered 1,000 of these. It's a limited quantity item, which means once they're gone, they're gone. I think we're at like 700 or 800 gone. So there's only about 200 of these left. So if you want to get entered to win, or you know someone who deserves a free set of wheels and tires and you want to enter them, grab this hoodie. We'll pick your name and everything will be sweet. CustomOffsets.com/giveaway. That's where you find it. That's where you get automatically entered. Oh, I was gonna throw it, but then it slipped, so now you have to just make this a really cheesy ending.